Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dalana B here. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back, girl. Happy New Year. I haven't seen you guys in a really long time. Today's video is a little bit different from what I've done on my channel. It's a wind down, self-care, self-pamper routine. I'm going to show you guys kind of sort of what I do to wind down from a stressful day and just give you guys some ideas. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my favorite mug. It's a tea mug that I got from Marshall's, I believe, and I'm just going to put some water in there. My favorite water is Fiji, and that's what you see me putting inside of my mug. And yeah, I'm just going to start with some relaxing tea. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. While I'm waiting on that to get hot, I'm just going to down the rest of this Fiji water. You know, water is one of the most important things in self-care. Keep that skin clean, that hair growing, those nails strong. So drink your water, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching. So now I'm just going to check some imaginary text messages and emails. They're not imaginary, you know, they're the same old promos in my emails and the same people that's texting me. So I'm just going to check that. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my water out. Usually, this is kind of my quick way of doing my tea. And I had to just look at it to make sure it was hot enough, making sure that the steam was coming up. And this one that I'm using is a lavender tea, and then the other one is a nighttime, bedtime caramel tea. Absolutely love them. These are the Yogi Teas, and I just purchased them from um, Whole Foods, I believe. And I actually like to look at the little affirmations of words of affirmations, whatever you want to call them, that's on the teas. It kind of helps me throughout the day. So now I'm just going to take this napkin um, rag that my son got me. It's called a tea napkin. He got me that for Mother's Day, and I'm just going to fold that in fours, and then I'm going to place that on top of my tea to let it steep for about, I don't know, for as long as it takes me to do my routine. And here I had a little intruder. This is my youngest baby. He wanted to be on the camera with mommy, so yeah. So now I am in my bedroom. It's a little plain, guys. I just bought a house, so I'm trying to get it together. And the first thing that I'm doing is spraying my bedding and my pillows with the Bath and Body Works Sleep Mist. So I like to spray that all over my pillows and kind of, turn the sheets back up so that that fragrance can stay in and locked. And now I'm going to light me a Bath and Body Works candle. This is the Relaxed candle from Bath and Body Works. I'm just going to light that and just kind of let that burn for a little bit. Next, I am going into my bathroom, and yes, I do have a lot of products. Do not judge. But I'm just going to go into my bathroom and I'm going to pick out what I want to bathe in tonight. And so, yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys my collection. Here I am, it's so many to choose from, and I love all the fragrances. So I'm just going to pick one that I want to use tonight. I'm going to actually go with one of the stress relief. Now we are going to just run some bath water and light some candles. I have the stress relief, that's the one that I'm lighting there, and then you'll see me in a second light the other one. I do believe that that one is comfort, maybe. I'm not really sure, and I can't remember, but I do think that that is the candles that I am lighting. And I like to light my candles when I'm taking my bowl bath. It just kind of Helps with the whole wind down process, and it just gives you that feel of okay, girl, you're relaxing. So here I'm just adding again my aromatherapy stress relief. These are the bath salts from Bath and Body Works. Um, in stress relief, I don't know if I said that, the eucalyptus mint. And then I'm also going to use the bubble bath in that same fragrance by Bath and Body Works. Okay, so while my water is running and my bath is, getting how I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and do my skincare routine. Now, there are quite a few products that I use for my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. If you guys are interested in my updated nighttime skincare routine, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you would like to see, what questions you have, or anything like that, and I'll be sure to film that for you guys. Okay, so now that my face routine is done, it is time to get in the tub. So that is my pamper routine. It's really quick, really simple, but very relaxing. I'm going to just go ahead and grab my tea that I made earlier and I'm going to hop in the tub. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.